I've never thought that you can do good only by non-profit activities. You can do good also by doing business. So let me give you a couple of examples. One is that I remember in the early 90s, we were lending money to about 40,000 women, and they were engaged in vegetable gardening. They will grow okra, they will grow brinjal, and all kinds of things in the plot, about half an acre or something. They will take as lease and then sell the vegetables. And we found that I looked at the data on vegetable cultivators. What's the recovery rate in microfinance? I thought it was 96%. I said everyone else is 98, 99%. Why is the 96%? So their productivity must be low. So I then set out a group of agronomists to try and find out what's their problem. Very quickly found out that the seeds is the main problem. Seeds, vegetable seeds. They can't find high quality vegetable seeds. So I thought, why not go into vegetable seed business? Because there was no high quality seeds available in the market. So BRAC went into getting into vegetable seed business.